Hey, what's up, you guys? BigZ here from Bengali, and welcome to another Bengali tutorial by BigZ. I know it's crazy, right? I posted one on Sunday, and now it's Saturday. It's not even a week yet, and I'm onto it. I'm making another video. This is crazy. But yeah, in this tutorial, I'm going to continue on something I started in 2017 when I started talking about Bengali numbers or Bangla Shonka. I taught you, I think, 1 to 20. I'm gonna continue on until I hit 100. Okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna start with 21 all the way to 100. This lesson I'm gonna cover 21 to 30. The next one it'll be 31 to 40, and so on until I hit 100. Yeah, I'd rather finish something that I started than start something brand new, right? So yeah, so this is gonna be a series of videos on Bangla Shonka or Bengali numbers. So yeah, let's get started right now. Alright, so here we are, Bengali numbers, Bangla Shonka, Bangla Shonka. Okay, I got this one right. Yeah, Shonka. Yeah, 21 is Ekush, Ekush 21, and this is Vante. Yeah, I'm gonna cover Spanish and French as well. So this is basically helping me as well. I learn Spanish and English. French. I basically know 21, 22, 23 and everything, but French is tricky, okay? But you guys should focus on just this part. That's it. Baish is Baish. Baish. Yeah, I got it. Baish. 22. 22. 22. Yeah, okay. I need to work on my Spanish. Vandu in French. Okay. Teish is Teish. So this is to, so Teish. Even though I have the T here, it's not Teish. It's Teish. Okay. Use the to. So that's 23 and 23 in French. 23 in Spanish. Okay. Chobish. So these are two balls basically. Okay. Chobish. It's not chobish, it's chobish. 24, 24. Yeah, French is tricky, man. And then we got 25 or ponchish. So notice that there's a chandrabindu on top of the paw here. So you gotta use your nasal cavity. Ponchish. Remember panch? Yeah, it's ponchish. Ponchish. 25. Vansank. Yeah, vansank in French. Chabish is 26. Chabish. It's not the cho, it's the cho here. Choi akar. Boy roshikar. Talibasho. Okay? Chabish. Chabish is 26. 26. Yeah. Alright. 27 is Shatash. 27. Vanset. Yeah. 28 is Atash. 28. Vanvit. Yeah. Man, French. It's messing me up. I'm telling you. Untirish or okay, what is this? Untrish or unotirish? Okay, untrish or unotirish. Basically, this is when you break this one up, it becomes to and ro. So this is to rofola roshikar talibasho. Okay, so and I broke it down to to roshi roishi talibasho. Unotirish or untirish, doesn't matter how you say it, they'll get it. If they speak Bengali, they'll get it. Okay. Untrish 29, untrish yeah, untrish and untrish, and I have 29 and vantnuf, I think, vantnuf, yeah, and tirish or trish, like I said, it's just basically this toirofola roshi is toiroshi, roiroshi, talipasho. It's pretty much the same thing. It's basically the same thing. So I don't want to confuse you with this, so that's why I broke it down to Toiroshi, Roiroshi, Talibasho. Trish. Oh man, reminds me of the WWE wrestler Trish. Okay, and 30 in Espanol, and tahont in French. Man, it's French is so difficult. It's just problematic, but you got it right. 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Right? Once again, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's how we do it. From 21 to 30. I covered that. Let me go over the Spanish one. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28. Did I say ocho? Never mind. 28, 29, what is it? 30. 30. And 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There you go. Easy as that. You got it, right? Remember, it starts with ekush. You know what 20 is, right? In Bengali, bish. So bish, ekush, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Easy as that. Yeah. Hey you guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to share it with family and friends, and please press the subscribe button right there. BigZ out.